Hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and today I'm in the lovely Papouis Protaras Hotel. I do believe it's totally refurbished. Got beautiful grounds here at the front, and we're on the main road, guys, here in Protras. There we are. We are actually on the outskirts of Protras. We're in between Protras, which is down there on the left, guys, and Panera at that roundabout there. I would say it's nearer to Panera than Protras, would you? Yeah guys, anyway, it's called Protaras Hotel, so we'll say that it's in Protras, shall we guys? Now there is a bit of building work going on just beyond this car park, guys, some luxury houses going up, and we can't hear a thing, can we? I can hear that little bike going past, there we are, but I can't hear any building work. It is going on. No, I can hear traffic, but no building work. Oh, I've just heard a little clung. Really got to listen out for it. I can't hear a thing, guys. Doesn't look like it's going to be an issue. So it looks like we've got beautiful new tiles. Look at this. Aren't they lovely? Oh, gorgeous tiles. So it's a massive refurbishment throughout the hotel, guys. Let's go outside. Start off here at the terraced area. Looks like we've got brand new toilets and shower facilities. I think that's the restaurant on my left, guys. We're going to have a look at that in a little while. There's the pool bar. There's the pool, and I think the pool's been redone, guys. It looks like they've tiled the swimming pool. Doesn't it look lovely? It's a hicklety-picklety pool, and then we've got the kids pool there on the right. We've got a lovely covered area here where you can enjoy a slow beer or a snack. Oh, let's go to the lawn. Oh, there's a park and a lawn. Look at this. Oh, I do like the park. Look at all these birds everywhere. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Oh, I love the birds. Look, everywhere. Beautiful trees, so there's loads of shade. You don't even need umbrellas, but there are some beds and umbrellas everywhere, guys. And they've got lovely cushions on them. I do like the cushions. Oh, I love the garden. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? You just sit here and relax in this garden and listen to the birds, read your book, surf the internet, do what you like really, and then you can go onto the hicklety-picklety path out into the swimming pool just beyond the trees. That's a good idea. Right, let's go and have a look at the balconies, shall we? Wow, look at the balconies. They're massive, aren't they? Lovely balconies, all got sea views. Look at that. Right, let's get out the garden, shall we? Let's see what else is going on at this lovely refurbished hotel. Oh, there's the stage for the entertainment. There it is there. Nearly missed that, didn't I? Oh, there's a giant chessboard. Looks like lots of fun. Where's all the pieces? Oh, they're over there, guys. Oh, there's a massive kids playground in the far corner. Let's go and have a quick look, shall we? There we are. Oh, there's loads of slides and seesaws. Look, there's even little houses at the back. Oh, and look at this little garden for the children. Isn't it lovely? Pool bar, guys, and a slow beer's €3.50. There's the dartboard, guys. Oh, there's a ping pong table. There's a pool table. There's air football there, and it's lovely and shaded round here, guys. So there's the restaurant, guys. It's massive, lovely and cool in here, and there's a massive buffet area there in the far corner. Guys, we've got a massive gym with all the latest equipment. Look at this pedal bike thing. You can get on the pedal bike. Oh, if you switch the lights off, I think the crew switch the lights off. Anyway, look, distance, time, calories, and start. Oh, look at that. Multimedia. Oh, you can watch YouTube while you pedal. That's really clever. There, and there's all the other stuff, guys. Loads and loads of equipment in here. Oh, look at the refurbished reception, guys. Lovely tiles, aren't they? I do like these tiles. All being painted. Conveniently located, comfortable chairs everywhere. And are they new? Oh yeah, brand new. Look at them, they're nice, aren't they? Do like that colour. All cushions everywhere. Lovely place to relax. And it's so cool here. There is a little library, guys. Oh, and there's a desk as well at reception. So you can borrow any book you like. And if you finish with your books and magazines, always leave them behind for the other guests if you don't need them anymore. So we're looking at a 10-minute stroll to the beach, guys. A 10-minute stroll to Panera, which is just up the road there. And that's where all the bars and restaurants are. Or if you want to go in Protras, guys, turn left. And that's, I think, about a 15 to 20-minute walk. Lovely little hotel, isn't it? Also, guys, there is a bus stop just outside on the right. Don't forget, only €1.50 a ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.